Hi, it's Abhijit and welcome to Abhi's Creation and Shiliguri Project Corner. And today's project is Obstacle Avoiding School Bus. This project also known as Smart School Bus. It is an Arduino project. In this project, we are using Arduino UNO, ultrasonic sensor, one servo motor, motor driver, 2 lithium-ion battery, 2 motors and 2 wheels. So it is a obstacle avoiding school bus. If any object comes under 5 centimeter, it will automatically stop and change the direction of the path. You already seen that if any object nearby, then it automatically change their direction. So hope so you like the project. If you need any type of project, please contact us. And if you like the project, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We provide all types of projects. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.